So, problem 2 for financial statements. A firm has $460 in inventory, $3,910 in fixed assets, $220 in accounts receivable, $210 in accounts payable, $200 in notes payable, $3,000 in long-term debt, and $430 in cash. So it's asking us two things here. Number one, or A, calculate the current assets, and B, calculate the net working capital. So this question will also basically require you to know the structure of a balance sheet, but unlike problem 1, this will go into more details. As you can see, we're also focused on current assets, and we will see that we'll be looking at current liabilities. So again, looking at the general structure, we have current assets, fixed assets on the one side, on the asset side, and then we have current liabilities, long-term liabilities, and equity on the liabilities and equity side. We're looking here for current assets and net working capital. So for A, we only need to look at the short-term or current assets. For B, we will also need to look at the current liabilities because we're calculating net working capital. We don't really focus on the other stuff. So some numbers are being given here, like 3,910 in fixed assets and 3,000 in long-term debt. These are things that we don't really need for this problem. They're extra unneeded information. So let's proceed. So current assets are cash plus accounts receivable plus inventory. As you can see, those are the three values highlighted. We add that together and we have our answer, which is 1,110. Now for B, we first have to calculate the total value of current liabilities. That's accounts payable and notes payable. And we add the 210 and 200, we get 410. Now we can calculate net working capital, which, if you recall, is current assets minus current liabilities. So that's 1,110 minus 410, giving us the answer of $700. So there you have it. We have calculated the current assets and the net working capital. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that helped.